All right, so Disney stock, we are at $147.13 with a market cap of 266 billion. This is awesome. We are in a great price to be at. I wish it was lower so I can continue to purchase, but I think I'm nearing the point where I'm probably going to be done purchasing Disney because Disney is my biggest bet. I thoroughly believe that it will double one day, but we're in awesome zone. So in today's news, Disney increases layoff to 32,000 workers as coronavirus batters its theme park business. And so essentially, the first half of 2021, they're going to lay off 32,000. This figure includes 28,000 workers that the company previously announced in September. So they're making it seem like it's larger than it is, but in the end, it is a larger number. Um, and in addition, on October 3rd, around 37,000 employees who were not expected to be laid off were placed on furlough. So, again, I hate kind of making these kind of videos, but you need to be informed. And unfortunately, it's a terrible thing. And now, do I believe this should happen? No. Do I think Disney should keep everyone and keep how they're going? Absolutely. They have the money. It's shitty on their part. But from a business standpoint, this is a good standpoint in the sense that Disney is not making the money that they were making. It's hitting their bottom line, and they need to stop hemorrhaging money, so they're going to lay off people. And unfortunately, in the stock world, layoffs are good. Again, I hate it. I wish it weren't that way, but this is great if you're invested in money in Disney, and it just means it's going to be a lot of savings. I don't think they, I think they're doing this because they don't see 2021 being very good. Even if a vaccine comes, it's probably going to take a long time for everyone to get it, and there's going to be, that period of fear afterwards. So they're probably going to lay off a lot more people than the 32,000. And, sadly, it's good for the stock. Not good for people, but I just want you to be aware that Disney is essentially trying to keep the company improving, aka improving their stock price, which they have, and they're going to keep trying. Uh, we see them focusing on Disney Plus now because they probably believe the theme parks are gonna get hit hard probably for the next 2 to 3 years. So they need to focus elsewhere. And that's all great. So just be aware of this, do your own research, have some fun, make some money. Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.